Girl, tired of waiting centuries for your nails to grow? Like seriously, why do split ends grow faster than nails? If you're dreaming of long, strong, and feminine nails that don't chip every other day, I got you. Let's dive into the real secrets to growing your nails fast and naturally. No magic pills, just real results. 1. Stop the nail abuse. First, we gotta talk nail trauma. Are you biting them? Using them to open soda cans? Girl, your nails aren't tools, they're jewels. Stop the abuse and they'll finally have a chance to grow. 2. Cuticle oil is the holy grail. Apply cuticle oil like it's lip balm every single day. Dry cuticles equals slow growth. Use jojoba oil, almond oil, or even vitamin E capsules. Massage it in to increase blood flow and stimulate growth. 3. Protein, nail fuel. Nails are made of keratin, a protein. So if you're living on iced coffee and vibes, your nails are starving. Add eggs, nuts, fish, beans to your meals and watch the magic happen. 4. Hydration. Dehydrated nails equals breakage. Drink your water and use hand creams that moisturize your nails too. Bonus tip, sleep with gloves after applying thick hand cream. You'll thank me. 5. Say bye to acetone. Aggressive nail polish removers destroy nail layers. Use acetone-free removers and give your nails polish breaks to let them breathe. Yep, natural nails need air too. 6. Lemon trick for whiter nails. If your nails are yellow or stained, grab a lemon. Slice it and rub directly on your nails for 1 to 2 minutes, or soak them in lemon juice for 5 minutes. Rinse, moisturize, and boom, natural whiteness is back. 7. DIY nail growth oil. Mix 1 teaspoon castor oil plus 1 teaspoon olive oil. Warm it slightly and massage it into your nails for 5 minutes daily. This combo? Chef's kiss for fast growth. 8. File gently, don't saw. Never file back and forth, that's how you weaken the edges. File in one direction only, and always round the edges to avoid snags. 9. Be consistent, not perfect. Doing this once won't help. Doing this every day? That's how you glow up those nails. Be gentle, be consistent, and results will come. There you go. No pills, no drama, just real glow-up tips for long, beautiful nails. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite tip, and of course, subscribe for more glow-up magic.